Okay, next we will do from phosphorus halides. Suppose you will take alcohol here. Alcohol, when it reacts with PCl5, remember it, whenever you are doing any reaction PCl5, then POCl3 and HCl is a compulsory product. Remember it. What I said, POCl3 and HCl. What more you will get it? RCl. So what I said, POCl3. You can count it and you can do it. See, POCl3. So here 3Cl. Here HCl, that is another 4Cl, you got it. Another, what is left? One more Cl is left. And here POCl3, everything is used up. Instead of R and Cl is left. So R and Cl. So in this way RCl. The same reaction if you do with, that is your PCl3, then remember it, H3PO3 is a compulsory product along with RCl. So to balance it, what I said here, H3PO3, so 3ROH, so you will be getting 3RCl. Alright, so in this way you can prepare it. But the same reaction if you are doing with PBr5 or PBr3 or with PI5 and PI3, then what you can do is that, listen very carefully. So PCl5, PCl3 is quite stable, so we are getting it. But PBr5, PBr3, then PI5, PI3 is not stable. It has to be prepared in C2. So in that case, what you have to do, suppose I am doing the reaction with PBr5. Then what I have to do is that I have to take red phosphorus along with bromine or red phosphorus along with iodine. I will be taking it. So what is the product? Similar product you will be getting it. Instead of POCl3, you will be writing it as POBr3 plus HBr plus RBr in this way. Or if you are taking here nothing but red phosphorus plus iodine, you will be getting POI3 plus HI plus RI. You will be getting it correspondingly. So that is with PCl5 and PCl3 you can get it, but in when you are doing it PBr5 or PBr3 or PI5 and PR3, the reaction is to be done in C2. That is immediately prepared and it has to be used in this manner. You have to do it. Okay. Now next, after that, the next method is, that is your Darzin's process. Darzin's process, we can say that. Now, in case of Darzin's process, what we do is that we take alcohol and we react with thionyl chloride. This is your thionyl chloride. So, what you will be getting it? You will be getting RCl plus SO2 plus HCl. RCl plus SO2 plus HCl, you will be getting it. Okay. With thionyl chloride, if you are doing the reaction. Now, whatever whatever the process you have studied, out of that, this process is the most economical one. Why? Because SO2 and HCl, you can see both are gases, it escapes. So RCl is remaining behind. So no further purification is required here. So yield is maximum in this case. So this is the most economical method. Till now, whatever the method we have studied, this method is the most economical method for the preparation of haloalkanes. We can say that. Okay. Now, next is, you can also take it here, that is your alkenes we can take, and alkenes you just take it here, and instead of SOCl2, just now I remembered it, just that instead of SOCl2 I can take it here sulfuryl chloride also. This is known as sulfuryl chloride, that also we can do it. And here that is nothing but H nu, UV light you can take. So here what is going to happen? The same thing here, that is allylic carbon. From there hydrogen is removed, CH2Cl, CH double bond CH2 plus what is that? SO2 plus HCl. So if you are doing sulfuryl chloride, you will be getting this particular product, you will be getting it. Okay. So now next is, the next method is your nothing but, we will see it, your Finkelstein reaction. Finkelstein reaction, we'll see it. It is also called halide exchange method, just like a Schwarz reaction. So here, suppose I will be taking here CH3 CH2Cl plus NaI. You can take CH3 CH2Br also. In presence of acetone and heat it, we can take it. So here acetone acts as a non-polar solvent, we can say. It acts as a non-polar solvent, acetone. So what you will be getting is that, what I said, it's a halide exchange method, CH3 CH2I plus NaCl If you take here Br, then CH3CH2Br, CH3CH2I plus NaBr, you will be getting it. This is called as Finkelstein reaction, we can say that. Got it? So we have used acetone here, which acts as inert solvent, and also it's a non-polar in nature, so the reaction is carried out in the forward direction for this particular purpose. So generally this reaction is used to prepare, that is your iodides, basically it is being used, this particular reaction, this one, it's being done. Next is your, that is your Brodin-Hunsdijker reaction, we can say that. That we'll see in the next one, Brodin-Hunsdijker reaction. Till now, up to this much. Thank you very much.